English Common Verbs 3. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today's lesson is about common verbs, part 3. Simple actions you use every day: eating, drinking, reading, writing, working, studying, and more. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. Nina's healthy day. Nina wakes up early feeling happy. She opens the window, stretches, and says, "Good morning, world." First, she goes to the kitchen to eat breakfast. She enjoys eggs, bread, and a banana. After eating, she remembers, "Don't forget to drink water." She drinks a big glass of fresh water. Nina plans her day and says, "I want to sleep well tonight, so I need a good routine." She sits on the sofa and decides to read a book for 10 minutes. It's a book about adventures. Then she takes a pen and starts to write a letter to her friend Mia. She writes slowly and carefully. At 10 a.m., Nina begins her work. She wants to finish early, so she says, "Time to work hard today." She focuses without distractions. During lunch break, she relaxes a little and plays games on her phone. Just a quick match. In the afternoon, she continues learning. She opens her notebook and studies English for 30 minutes. She practices speaking and listening. Later, she turns on the TV to watch TV for a short time. She likes comedy shows. Before bedtime, Nina puts on her headphones and listens to music softly. The calm music helps her relax. Nina smiles and says, "What a healthy and productive day." Now it's time for the Q&A mini story, Nina's healthy day. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Nina wakes up early. Who wakes up early? Nina. How does she feel? Happy. Does she sleep until noon? No. She eats something. What does she do first? Eat breakfast. What does she eat? Eggs, bread, and a banana. Does she eat dinner? No, she drinks something. What does she drink? Water. Is it soda or waters? Water. Why does she drink water? Because she wants to stay healthy. Nina plans her day. What does she want to do at night? Sleep well. Does she want to sleep badly? Number. Is she thinking about her routine? Yes, she reads something. What does she read? A book? What kind of book? An adventure book. Does she read for an hour? No, 10 minutes. She writes something. What does she write? A letter. Who is the letter for? Her friend, Mia. Does she write quickly? No, slowly. She works. How does she work? Hard. Why? She wants to finish early. Is she lazy? No, she plays something. What does she play? Games. Where? On her phone. Does she play for 5 hours? No, just a quick match. She studies. What does she study? English. How long does she study? 30 minutes? Does she study math? No, she watches something. What does Nina watch? TV. What kind of shows does she like? Comedy shows. Does she watch a movie? Number before bed. What does she listen to? Music. Why? To relax. Does she listen loudly? No, softly. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about Common Verbs 3. Today, you practiced phrases like eat breakfast, drink water, sleep well, read a book, write a letter, work hard, play games, study English, watch TV, and listen to music. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.